What's up guys, welcome to One Life. Today we're going to have a look at a diesel Skoda, but before you turn off, it's a VRS Skoda. So stay tuned and we'll have a look at the car.
Hello, good feeling. Hello, good feeling.
So we're in the Skoda VRS, Octavia VRS. It's a 2007. This is a diesel model. These things have about 170 brake compared to the petrol. That's got 200 brake, but these diesels have more torque, so it makes up for it. The reviews in that say these are a bit better than the petrols. So we're going to go on a little spin and see what they're like. But first, I'll show you a few shots of the car and see what you think. the exhaust note too. A few rev shots for you. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again soon.